Hello guys, it's me Game New. Wait, I'm not in Minecraft. What's going on? Alright, hey guys, it's me Game New. I don't know why I did that random intro. Anyways, today I'll be telling you about something. Man, I keep on doing this. Anyways, I'm gonna show you some stuff. Well, couple. The institutions posted today a tutorial on blocks and creative inventory for modding Minecraft 1.2.5. Now, there's actually a really easy way to add blocks to the inventory that some editing base classes. Well, let me show you. I created a new class called Creative Block Adder, and then I had to put some stuff in here. There are like 53 lines of code, so let me show you. Alright, first things first, there are four variables. A list, an array list, a static GUI screen, and a static creative block adder, which is an instance, which we don't need to worry about the creative block adder. We're just going to worry about the three variables. Anyways, I'm just checking my time. List is the final block list for the creative inventory, and that gets set later. Now the array list is set up when the class is created, and this is just temporary. Well, it's not temporary, but this is not used for the final block list. So basically, alright, so this would be added to in this function, which I'll tell you about. Alright, next thing, private static GUI screen creative inventory. Now this is needed for an if statement down here. So let's get started. This just sets up the block list. That's pretty much it. This gets the instance. Now the init. Now what the init does is saves you like one line of code, which isn't that much. What's that? Anyways, it calls two functions from ModLoader: setInGameHook and setInGUIHook. So basically, you would specify the mod here, and it would be in here, and these three would be there. So basically, it's the base mod, then the true, then a boolean, and a boolean. Same here. We put the second as true for both of them, and a third as false for both of them. Now, add block to creative is really simple. All you really needed to do is you need to specify a block and int meta. Then it would add to the block list a new item stack, block 1, and with the metadata. Now let's move on to the creative on taking game. It has two parameters, float f and the Minecraft. Now this is just like 3 lines of code. If Minecraft.currentScreen equals null, then set creative inventory equal null. Now, onto the creative on taking game. Now it checks an if statement. If the GUI screen is an instance of the GUI container creative and creative inventory instance of GUI container creative, and mc.theworld is remote, which is multiplayer world. Now container. Now we specify a container variable, and then we set it equal to we put parentheses like this. We basically put 2 pairs of parentheses. The first pair has this in it, so you put the in the second pair of parentheses, you put GUI container, and then in the first but not the second parentheses, you put GUI screen, and then after that you would put dot inventory slots. Then it sets up the block list final, and it makes it equal to container creative, pretty much the same thing up here, but it goes container creative and then container here, and then dot item list. Then this does a for loop, for int 0 I below block list dot size I plus plus. That basically adds one. Block list final dot add block list get I don't think I need to explain this, but I'll do it anyways. It would basically add the block list, what it gets from the block list using the I. And then at the very end, you put creative inventory equals GUI screen. Now I'm probably going to put this on the Minecraft forums, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let's go to the mod folder. Alright, 6 minutes, that's good. Alright, you first either set up variable here, the creative block adder CBA or something like that equals this, or you can put new creative block adder, doesn't matter. It rhymed. Anyways, public boolean onsync game. Now you put CBA creative onsync game with the F and the MC, the float and the Minecraft instance. And hold on. Lol. Hold on. It still works, but I'm gonna change it to where it goes game. I did not even notice this before, but oh well. So pretty much you do cdba.creative on ticking game, and then you put this, the F here, the game, the Minecraft here, and then you would return true. And then in the onTicken GUI, you would put cba.creative onTicken GUI F game and GUI screen. And then in the load function, you would put cba.init, and then you put this for the base mod. And then wherever you want, you do cba or the variable dot add block to creative, and then the block here and the metadata. That's pretty much it. Nothing else. So thank you for watching. Well, wait, I'm not done. I'm not done, and this might lag. I'm actually gonna test it. Now I'm actually holding the microphone up, so it might sound loud, might sound low, I don't know. So go to single player. Well, you have to be in single player for this to work, and go to new world. That is creative, or create a new world, that's creative. Now, if we scroll all the way down, and this is the bad part about it, you would see you're 9 more. Ah, crap. Copyrighted music in the background, and that actually does work. I really hope I don't have to freaking blank this out. That would suck. And you can place it. Woohoo! So, thank you for watching this Minecraft modding video, and I hope you enjoy. So basically, I'll put this in the Minecraft forums, or yeah, Minecraft forums. I'll put the link in the description, and well, that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. I'm also playing my games as well, which I'm putting this on.